How to outpatient in and out for paperless EOBs in BCBSM application. Hello everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to outpatient in or out paperless EOBs with BCBSM. So first of all, you can log in into your online member account. For that, head over to the website of the app, look out for the login option in the top right corner. And from there, look out for members option from the given options. Login for members and log in using your member ID and password from this space right here. Once you are logged in into your account, you can locate the section for My Account, Profile, or Preferences, and that might be in the top right corner or within a navigation menu. And then once you are headed towards that section, go ahead and find the Communication Preferences or Paperless options within your account profile section and choose your preference. So head over and select the option to go paperless and choose your preferred method of notification, email or text. Or you can basically head over and select the option to receive paper statements and save your changes. Those are the two options, like outpatient in and out option we have available. You can just go ahead and do so. Once you select it, be sure to save your selections after making any changes to your notification preferences. And then that is it. After that, if going paperless, you can just head over and look out for the benefits, which is going paperless reduces paper clutter, provides quicker access to your EOBs online, and is a secure way of managing your information after outpatienting. And you can view your EOBs anytime through your online member account. And if you have any questions or need assistance with the process, you can directly contact the BCBSM customer service for that. So you may follow this method if you'd like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.